if the at-fault driver's insurance company is paying you, they're paying you to release their driver from any further responsibility and to have finality. So what we don't want to do is go and try to settle the case before we know the outcome of your medical status, of your wage loss status. And so people will ask us, how long will it take for me to get a recovery? And we have to say, well, part of that depends on how long it takes for you to get better. And if you don't get all the way better, at least how long will it take before we know how much better you're going to get? So what we want for our clients is for them to be invested in the getting better process. Because they get invested in the getting better process, they work hard to get better, they follow their doctor's instructions, they work through that part of the system with our assistance, and then they get to a point where they're as good as they're going to get. Hopefully they're all the way better. Sometimes they're not. And if they're not all the way better, then we at least can sit down and we can figure out what the future looks like for them. Only then is it appropriate, in the vast majority of cases, to try to reach a final settlement. Very, very rarely are there any periodic payments because the at-fault driver's insurance company doesn't have a contract with you, has no relationship with you. They're concerned about getting their driver off the hook, and you won't let their driver off the hook because you don't know what the outcome of your situation is. So the timing generally is, how long does it take before you get better? And then once you get to that point, all of the documentation to support what you've gone through has to be gathered together. All of the medical bills, all of the medical records, all of the documentation to support any wage loss, any other out-of-pocket expenses. It has to be organized, put together, sent to an insurance company. They have to have an opportunity to review it, consider it, look at the risk that you've created, and then the negotiation can start. Generally, that negotiation process, once it starts, may take 2 or 3 months to go from getting the information to the insurance company to hearing back from them to going through the negotiation process. And at that point, either the case will settle or it'll have to move into litigation. And if it moves into litigation, the timing for a lawsuit may be up to a year.